again. I already got I can show you my slime first and my how do you call that? My Nerf guns. After they're in these backpacks. Oh, one of my Nerf guns is going. Okay. It's like jelly. I'm sorry, I have sprinkles everywhere. It came with this whole thing. Here, everybody. Everybody, do you hear that? That's the slime. This is my sister. She's in here. Look at Priscilla. Say hi. Priscilla, say hi. I'm sorry. She didn't want to say no hi. We're going to Thanksgiving. Today is the 23rd. You hear that? That's this one. Sometimes it sticks to your hand like this one. Hold on. Okay. I'll close it up. Put it over there. And then I'm going to show you with my Nerf. Come on, okay? I'll show you right here. You got my Nerf. I have this one. You can turn it. Turn it around. Keep turning. Keep turning. And you can put air. Hold on, let me take out the bullets from these. I have a lot of them. Yeah, but there's still more in there. I have it because it's in my backpack. It's all full of guns. Look at what it shoots like. Look at everybody what it shoots like. Hold on. Hold on, everybody. Hold on. There we go. Now I'm gonna shoot. Well, anyway. This is a sick gun. I had two, but I don't want to show you yet because I always lose all the bullets. Hold on, let me find it. Oh, here. And I have different bullets. I'm gonna put it in here. The next gun I'm gonna show you Hold on, let me make space. This big humongous gun. Like it's big. And into it in the middle. And it comes with this. Next to it like this. But I got it from a friend. That lives next to Alondra. Go check on her Musical.ly. Her Musical.ly is Alondra. Alondra511. That's her Musical.ly. I already have her on Musical.ly. Or you see, like these, not on Musical.ly, on these guns. That means when you put it like this, but that's wrong because it will not shoot anything. When you put it like this, it will shoot because it's in the middle of the bullet. But or it's like this. Look at, hold on, let me move it. Or it's like this. The bullet will not come out of this little hole that's right here. Like that. But I always like to put it in like this. Okay. Hold on. I want to see it shoot. It shoots really loud. Hold on. Let me find the trigger. It shoots really loud. And I'm selling it for $102. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not selling it. And my next gun I have is this one. Other gun. And it has this. This gun. Hold on, let me zoom in. Hold on, everybody. There we go. And turn on the light. That says to be careful to ages to 6 or 7 or 8. My sister also they come to 12 boys and each one. I'm gonna show you my next one. Oh, right here. Okay, my next gun. Hold on, my gun. There we go. Huh. Wait, I'll come back. Everybody, I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry I use my feet everywhere. So not this, but this is really slow. I don't know how it's broken. It goes like this, but I bought it. I stole it from somewhere. No, I'm just kidding. I bought it from somewhere, and this it lights up, but I put the bullet right here, and it looks sick. But sometimes I put oops, I'm sorry. Sometimes I put everything inside of it, and this is how much I have. Because I lost a little bit of bullets left. I lost a little bit of bullets. I need to put 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 bullets, but even I reach for my other gun. I'm supposed to have 10. 12. I mean, It's inside of the house. You want to confuse. Hold on, everybody. This is my face. I'm gonna show you my slime again. First, I'm gonna put my Nerf guns away. Okay. Hold on, let me check on my Nerf guns. Yep, that died. Two. Where's wrong content? Take this off. And always put this on. Just hold on, guys. Look up. Again, look at what it looks like on this inside. I made purple because I like purple and blue and gray and black. I love all the colors that are. Look at this one. Let me take it to my cousin's house. I'm gonna put it in a circle this also. I'm gonna put it in my backpack in case for the one or two. Laundry, and then there's a laundry again. I'm going to this video is come from twin something, and hit the like button and subscribe to my videos and look at my sister's videos always, and hit that like button and go to the subscribe and hit the bell button and notification and bye.